Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Homeopathy is often considered to be good for kids, and it is true. Well, homeopathy is good for the starting from a newborn child till an old age person. That is, homeopathy is good in all ages. But today we'll specifically talk about why homeopathy is good for kids. First is mild and gentle medicine. So kids will not have any kind of side effects if taken properly. Second, safe for long term use. So, in children, it is very common to see recurrent cold, fever, skin problem, or any chronic condition, that is, any long term health problem. So, in all these cases, homeopathy is a very good option. Third, homeopathic medicines do not have any strong chemicals or there is no usage of strong doses. That's why it is completely safe for children and they'll not have any side effects from those medicines. Fourth, kids respond well to homeopathic medicines when compared to adults because their body is more adaptable, the symptoms are fresh and clear, and the lifestyle of children is simpler. Fifth, it helps build healthy habits. Homeopathy focuses on diet, immunity, sleep, reducing triggers, and emotional well being, thus building holistic habits for child's good health. Sixth, it reduces overuse of heavy medicines, that is, avoids unnecessary antibiotics or syrup which can have bad impact on child's health. Seventh, it prevents disease tendency in the future. So, if there is a strong family history of any disease, then homeopathy can help to prevent the disease affecting the child in the future. Eighth, it builds child's immunity naturally, making the child more resistant to many diseases. Ninth, maintains overall health of the child. And 10th one is kids don't resist it. Kids enjoy taking the sweet pills or any other homeopathic medicine. So it is easier for the parents to give the medicine to the child when compared to other medicines which the child usually refuses to take. That's all for today's video. So if you know any child who is suffering from any disease or any health problem, then choose homeopathy because it is the best for kids. And if you want homeopathic medicines for kids or for anyone for that matter, then you can contact to this number. And if this video was useful, then like the video, share the video among your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.